Hello everybody! Today we are going to be making a tier list, and it's gonna be a Oreo tier list. Look at all of these freaking flavors, bro! All of these flavors, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, now remember to like and subscribe. I still don't have a Discord server yet, but I will make it, guys, I promise. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay, now we got the American cream. So I don't know what flavor this is, but I'll give it a E tier. Oreo Thins. Oreo Thins are like alright, but this golden Oreo flavor, it's pretty good, so I'll put it in the D tier. Still good though. The mint thin Oreos. Well, they're pretty alright, but I'll give it an E. It's okay. Okay. Rocky Road Trip. I never tried this flavor, but it looks good. Wait, what does it got in it? Wait, what do it got? I guess it has marshmallows, chocolate ice cream. Oh, it says it right here. Cookie with marshmallow bits and Rocky Road flavored cream. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. I'll put it in the C tier. Choco chip. So basically, it's just like a chocolate chip cookie on a chocolate chip cookie. So it looks good, so I'll put it in the C tier too. Okay. Oreo DQ Blizzard. Wait, they made these? I didn't know. I'm gonna get under my cover because it's cold. Wait a minute, guys. All of these Oreo flavors sound pretty good, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, so Oreo, Dairy Cream, Blizzard. Okay. This one, I don't know this one. I never tried this one, but it looks very good. So I'll put it in the B tier. Okay. Now the next up one is Jelly Donut, and it has a jelly in it. So it has a jelly flavored center. Okay, like a jelly flavored donut. Okay. I kind of do like jelly flavored donuts, but I'll put this in the C tier. Creamsicle. Orange kind. I liked it creamsicles. But yeah. This one's pretty good, so I'll put this in the D tier. Blueberry pie. Blueberry pie, dang, that sounds good. That sounds pretty good, but I'll put it in the B tier. Okay, now chocolate. Chocolate Oreo. So it's basically chocolate on chocolate. So let's go. I put it in D tier. Wait. Okay. Wasabi Oreos? What the? What? Ew! F! Hot chicken wing Oreos? Oh, heck no. We putting this in the F tier. Please tell me this one's not disgusting. Gingerbread. Okay. I can go with gingerbread. I like gingerbread, so I'll put it in the C tier. Strawberry and cream. Well, this one? Oh, I like strawberry and cream. I'm putting it in the C tier. I don't speak Japanese, but I guess it's like it's a soft cookie ice flavor. So does that have mint? Is it basically mint? Or it's that like regular cream?
Okay, let's put this in the E tier since I don't know what this is. No, I don't know and I don't remember. Peppermint bark Oreos. Yeah, peppermint bark is pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll put it in the A tier. Ooh, the OGs, bro. The regular Oreos. S tier. Okay, we got triple double. Ooh, chocolate mint.
Ooh, chocolate mint. I do like chocolate mint, so yeah. I'll put it in the A tier. Okay. Ice cream Oreos. That's crazy. I'll put this in the C tier. Yeah, C tier. Football shaped Oreos. I remember eating these while watching the Super Bowl. I keep dunking my cookies in the milk for like just 1 second and then eating them. But this time I dipped it for another long time. So yeah, I like these. They're basically the regular Oreos but in football version. So I'll put it in the A tier. Golden Oreos. Golden Oreos are very, very, very good. Plus the OG. And they're basically, it has this good rich taste that like lets your mouth craving with another bite. Pause. Peeps Oreo.
Actually, I kind of do like Peeps, but marshmallow Peeps flavored cream. Well, that makes it like a little times better. So yeah. One time I had braces, and I thought Peeps would help, but it kind of didn't. So I wasn't brushing my teeth. That's why. Yeah. And I had to like restart it, and the doctor said, "Don't eat Peeps." But now, couple of weeks later, I got them off. So yeah. Months. Bye, right. A tier for these. I do like Peeps still. So Swedish Fish Oreos. One time I was like in my mom's room, like eating some Swedish fish, and it turned night. And then I had to throw up, but my mom was using the bathroom. And even if I were to make to the other bathroom, bro, I had to be quick. And my feet were hurting. So I had to wait, but it got the best of me, so I threw it up in the bed. Man. That's why I don't eat Swedish fish, but so I'll put it in the C tier. Even though this is Corey Kinchin's favorite Oreos. But okay. What's this? Soft cookie. It's a Japanese one. I don't know what this is, but I guess I'll put it in C tier. Okay. A lot of more Oreos to rank. Pina colada. I never tried pina colada, but it looks good, so I'll give it a B tier or a C tier. B tier. Let's put in B tier. Alright, we got 4 A's, 3 C's, 3 B's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 C's, 3 D's, 2 E's, and 2 F's. And don't know or don't remember has one of that. Okay. Filled cupcake Oreos. So basically those Hostess cupcakes. So I'll put these in the B tier. Very good.
Candy corn Oreos. They're pretty good, but I kind of don't like candy corn, so I'll put this in the D tier. What's this? I think it's Coca-Cola Oreos.
Coca-Cola Oreos? Okay, all I know is they alright. They alright. But I don't know if it's Coca-Cola or Red Velvet. But okay.
I'll put it in the C tier.
Okay.
Ooh, lemon thin Oreos. I loved these. So, okay.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Okay.
I'll put this in C tier.
Nope.
B tier. PB&J. It doesn't sound good though. The reason why is that, like, peanut butter and jelly on a cookie? I mean, they have peanut butter and jelly Pop-Tarts, I think. Yeah, they do. I'll put it in a D tier. Another soft cookie. Ooh, this one looks good. I'll put it in the B tier. Looks good. Cookie butter. Cookie butter. I like cookie butter.
Okay. Yeah, I like cookie butter, so I'll put this on the A tier.
Chocolate and peanut butter pie? Okay, this is going straight into the S tier. Okay.
Brownie batter? Dude, I need these. Like, I need this. S. Coconut thin Oreos. You know what? I'm finna put these in the A tier. They look so good, but I never tried them.
Oreo minis.
Eh.
I mean, basically, you could just, like, have them for a snack. So that's the good thing. Like, have them for a snack or you're, like, craving some cookies. Just have a pack of these and you set. So yeah, I'm putting this on the B tier. It's good for, A tier. Pretty good for a snack. Well guys, that's gonna be it for the Oreo tier list. I'm sorry if we have like more Oreos to begin to go with. But guys, that's gonna be it for the video. There is gonna be a part 2. So yeah, bye bye.